Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 EC paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. To obtain very high input and output impedances in a feedback amplifier, the topology used is A. Voltage series, B. Current series, C. Voltage shunt, D. Current shunt. So generally feedback is going to be used to improve the input and output impedances according to the requirement. Okay, so let us assume if you are going with an amplifier without feedback, an amplifier without feedback is going to be called as basic amplifier. For that basic amplifier, this is input side and this side is output. So if you are looking into this side, at that time it is Ri, input impedance of basic amplifier without feedback, and if you are looking into output terminals, that will give the output impedance without feedback. By using feedback we can improve. With the help of feedback we can improve, that is by adding feedback you can improve Ri. Adding feedback is nothing but we can say it as RIF, that is input impedance with feedback. RIF can be increased or can be decreased. And with feedback R0, by adding with feedback, that is R0F, output impedance with feedback, that can be increased or that can be decreased. So the mechanism used to increase or decrease the input impedance is going to be called as mixing network. Mixing, and the type of mixing is nothing but it may be series mixing or shunt mixing. So if it is series mixing, at that time RIF is going to be increases, and if it is shunt mixing, at that time RIF, input impedance with feedback, reduces. Similarly, the output side, we use sampling process to modify the output impedances. If it is current sample, at that time R0F increases, and if it is voltage sampling, at that time output impedance is going to be reduces. Whether input or output impedances are increases or decreases, that is always by a factor of 1 plus A beta times. In this one, A is nothing but gain of basic amplifier, beta is nothing but feedback factor or feedback network, gain of feedback network. So this is the factor by which the input and output impedances will modify. If it increases by this one. If it decreases by the same thing. So to obtain very high input and output impedances in a feedback amplifier, very high input and output impedances, that is we require a series mixing and current sampling. So this is going to be treated as current series topology. Current series topology it is called as. So the answer is B. The right answer is B for this one. Thank you.